Hello friend, today we have animals puzzles. Can you help me put them together? We need to find the pieces and put them at the right spot. Now let's put together a bear. Where's the bear's head? Alright. Yeah, we found it. Now let's find the arms of this bear. Yeah, we found it. And now let's find the left leg. Here it is. And now let's find the right leg. Here it is. Yeah, the bear is ready. And we have an elephant. Here's the elephant's head. Where's the next part? Here it is. Elephant's body. Now we need to find the elephant's legs. Can you see it? Alright, here they are. And here's the next part. And where's the elephant's trunk? Here it is. Alright, that is the elephant mouth. And the elephant is done. Great job. Let's put together a fox. We need to find the fox face. Wow, look at this. Where's the fox head? Here it is. Now the next part. Can you see it? Here it is. Now let's find the fox body. Let's look over here. Yeah, we found it. Next, let's find a tail. Here it is. Nice job. Nice, here is the fox. And here is the snail. Let's find the snail's eyes. And where's the snail's body? Alright. Now let's find a snail tail. Can you see it? Here it is. Can you help me find a shell? Here it is. Here's the second part. We need 2 more parts of the shell. Here's the third part. Nice job! Can you see the last part? Nice job! The snail is done! Look at this! It's a fish! Now let's find a face of the fish! Here it is! Now let's find a body. Here it is! Alright, looking great! Now let's find the next part. Looking good! Wow, look at this! These fish have yellow scales. Nice! Now let's find a tail. Wow, the red tail! And the fish is done! Nice job! Now let's put together a butterfly. Can you see the face of this butterfly? Here it is! Alright, the first part is done. Can you see it? Wow, look at this! Can you see the right wing? Yeah! Now let's find a left wing. Nice job! Butterfly's body. Yeah! Can you see the wing? Help me find that. Here it is. And the right wing again. It's so colorful. The butterfly is ready. Thank you, friend. I'll see you in the next video. Hello, friend. Let's put together a number puzzle. We have all the numbers from 0 to 9. Now let's find the number 1. Where is that? Here it is. Number 1. Alright. Now let's find the number 2. Can you see it? Alright, here it is. Number 2. And it's purple. Now let's see if we can find the number 3. Where is that? Here it is. This is number 3 and it's white. Nice job. The next number is 4. Can you see it? Wow, look at this. Number 4 and it's green. Let's put it in the puzzle. And the next number is 5. Can you see it? Wow, look at this. Number 5. Let's put it back. Number 5 is blue. The next number is 6. Can you see it? Wow, this is number 6. Number 6 is orange. And our next number is 7. Can you help me find that? Here it is, number 7, and it's gray. And our next number is 8. Now let's find it. Wow, number 8, and it's green. Let's put it back. And we have number 9 next. Here is the number 9. And it's yellow. And our last number is 0. Here it is. And we found it. Number 0 is red. Great job. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye, friend.